Nurses, healthcare professionals, I get it. Life feels stable when that paycheck keeps coming in regularly. But here's a question worth thinking about. What happens when the paycheck stops? Will your family be able to live the same lifestyle? This is a question I asked myself, and almost 2 years ago, I decided to start building alongside my career. I used my knowledge, my skills, and leveraged an online platform that so many nurses and professionals were using to build home based businesses. Now, this platform provides trainings, guidance, and has partnerships already in place to help you build a home based business so you can start earning on the side from home. This has brought so much financial stability and independence to my family. Less burnout, we travel more, we spend more quality time together. So, if you're a nurse or a healthcare professional and the thought of building or owning a business has ever crossed your mind, and you would like to explore how this business platform works so you can also build the same for yourself, I want to invite you to our free info session, which explains exactly how this business works. All you have to do is click on the Learn More button on this video, register with your name and email address. Keep an eye on your email for an email with a link for you to watch that free info video. If you have any questions, my number will be provided, which is 979-680-2700. Feel free to reach out to me. I will answer any questions you may have. Life feels stable right now, but think of when things change. Click on that Learn More button, register with your name and email address, and let's see how you can leverage from this same platform and start building a home-based business for yourself and your family on the side and start earning from home. I hope to connect and welcome you into our business community, VIP business community, very soon. As a disclaimer, results vary. Success depends on individual efforts, experience, and market conditions. No guarantees of income or specific outcomes. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Please do your own due diligence before starting any business.